Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to use Replit AI for coding and building a software in 2025. So first, open Replit AI on your browser and log into your account. If you don't have an account, just sign up and make a new account. It's free. And then you will find yourself on this homepage. Now, of course, you can create an app very easily by clicking this button in the top left corner. So just go to create an app and here you'll have this chat box. Now, if you want to be organized and have a great output and you know what you want, basically, just write it down on a piece of paper or write it down in a text file on your computer and then tell the AI whatever you want. You can also use another AI like ChatGPT and tell it all the details that you want, and it will create a perfectly generated prompt that will help you have the best output, basically. So let's say I want a timer app that's on a web browser and that's really minimalistic and that has a login feature and that has database, etc. I will note this down all in a text file or in the chat box of ChatGPT. And then I will tell it to craft a prompt to make me the best output that I can make, okay? And then I will just go and take this prompt that ChatGPT made me for, and I will just go ahead and copy the prompt that ChatGPT created and paste it here. And then the AI will do whatever I tell it to do, basically. So let's just test it and let's see how it turns out. And I will show you the workspace and how to deal with it. Now let's just go and tell it to create a Python software for a, let's say, a timer, then minimalistic, etc. Uh, Now, this is the prompt. It's very easy. I don't want you to make a prompt like that because it will be very vague. You want to include as many details as you can, okay? So it's just create a Python software for a timer, Zen, and minimalistic. So let's start the chat. I made this prompt like that because it's just for the tutorial. I don't really care about the output. I want to show you the workspace and how to deal with Replit AI. Now, when you are asking the AI to make a software or an app, first, it will do the steps, okay? It will plan it for you, and then you will confirm the plan. And after that, it will actually begin coding and making the environment, okay? So as you can see here, it tells you, I understand you want to create a Python project, Python software for a timer with Zen minimalistic design. Let me create a plan for this project. So as you can see here, these are the steps. So simple timer interface with start, pause, reset controls, visual countdown display, sound notification, etc. And here you can either keep planning or approve plan and start. So let's go ahead and approve the plan. Now here you will have the preview of your app, and here you will have the chat box with the AI. Of course, the most important thing in all of this is that you can tell the AI to do whatever you want. So the more details you give it, the more accurate the output will be. So don't be afraid to put as many details as you can, okay? And then once it will create the apps, you can just click on run here. It will be in green. I will show you in a few seconds. And when you click run, it will run the project, and you can also invite and deploy. So you could go to invite here and then add people by a username or an email or something like that. You can also create a private join link. Now, let's just wait a few moments for the app to be created. And now, as you can see, it has created the preview already. So you have then timer with the timer here. You can get it to 10 minutes, 25, etc. Let's just start it here. Then I can reset it, of course. Now I can stop it. Okay, so there are a lot of features in this, but that's not exactly what I want, okay? So if I'm putting myself in the case of someone who's creating a software and that wants it to be really tailored for him, then I will just go ahead and here message the agent every detail that I wanted to add. And that's it. Now I'll let you discover this a magnificent AI tool because it's really one of the best and most powerful tools now in 2025. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.